everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. Today we're going to be going over my signature flip over, but this is the flip over Pronto. So what's in my hair right now, this is called the flip over Pronto, and this is a quick weave, and it has very minimal leave out. Of course, you could go in and just flip your hair over if that's how you want to wear it. I'm gonna wear mine down, kind of like in the middle, because you can do a flip over in the middle or the side, whatever you want to do. And look how good my natural hair blends with that. Okay, you guys, so I know y'all are wondering, what hair is that? What hair is that? What hair is that? I can't get over how beautiful this hair is. I know y'all ain't gonna believe this is 2 bundles of hair, but yes, this is only 2 bundles of hair. So the hair I used is from Curlsqueen. This is their wefted hair. And this is a bundle that I didn't even use. I only used 2 bundles. And this is the Water Kinky Curly in the texture 3B 3C. I will have it right here on the screen just in case I got it wrong. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. And you get so much hair in 1 bundle. And this is a 24-inch. It is nice and black, as you guys can see. It matches my own hair. I have minimal leave out. All I did was spray water on my natural hair to get everything to just blend together. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed and styled this hair, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna do a Pronto flip over today. These are my braids that I wear under my wig. This little section right here, y'all, this is going to be my leave out, this little bitty section. That's one of the things people kind of miss when doing a flip over. They have way too much leave out. You should have a little section of leave out. I do like to use the Roberts protective shield. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. Like, I can't do quick weaves without this. This is the go. I also just have some basic black wig caps. You want to make sure you have like a coloring brush to go ahead and spread out that product. And this is the bonding glue I'm using. I swear by this brand, it dries really fast. And I'm gonna add some of these under my cap because I really want to avoid any glue or anything getting on my hair. This is the hair we're using. It's from Curlsqueen. So let's go ahead and open up our hair. So this is their Water Kinky Curly texture in 3B 3C. This hair is absolutely beautiful, and I know when I co-wash, this hair is just gonna pop. These are the Wefts, nice and full, and I do have 3 bundles of the hair in 24-inch. The bundles feel really nice and soft. I 100% recommend co-washing your bundles before you even install them. I like to take some of the wrap strips, and this is, like I said, just extra protection from that glue. Now we're just gonna take our cap and put it on and slide it over the wrap strip. It should look something like this. Now I'm gonna go in with my protective shield. I'm making sure to get this all around my perimeter. Anywhere where you'll have glue, my cap is now dry and we are ready to go. Okay, so we're gonna mark out the area that we're gonna do our flip over on. And now we're gonna start laying our tracks, just following the shape of our head until we reach the top. Okay, you guys, so we have in almost 2 bundles of hair at this point, and now I'm just laying my tracks closely together, following my guide. I'm almost done. Okay, so now it's time to tame all of this. This is only 2 bundles of hair. 2 bundles is more than enough, y'all. Like, look how full my hair is off 2 bundles. Okay, you guys, so our hair is completely wet. Like, it's saturated. And this bottle is water and conditioner because I didn't put any product in the hair. I'm just gonna spray some water and conditioner throughout the hair, and it's just gonna add some extra moisture and help define our curls. Don't worry when you have a quick weave with curly hair. You just wanna avoid getting like the roots of your hair wet. So in the top, you can just spray it with the water bottle. I just want you guys to get a view of this texture. Gorgeous. Look at that texture. I'm gonna take my Vigorol Curls Mousse. This is gonna be the only styling product I put in the hair. And then we're gonna go in and define the curls even further using our Bounce Curl Defining Brush. So you just wanna take the brush and brush and roll. Our hair is finally dry, and I just love the texture on this hair. It looks very natural. Very, very natural, very full. And like I said, I only used 2 bundles of hair. So what I'm gonna do now is take down my leave out. With this hair, we have very minimal leave out. We want something where we can blend without doing a whole lot of work. That's the whole point of our flip over. Blending with this type of hair, very, very easy. All I do is spray a little water on my real leave out. Just a little bit. This is water and conditioner I'm spraying on my leave out. This is gonna help everything blend. Now I'm gonna leave this hair in, y'all, for a little while, and I'm gonna come back and tell y'all how I like it. I'm just gonna take a brush and just smooth my hair a little bit. Very, very easy to blend. Y'all, look at that texture. I love it. Okay, you guys, so we are done installing the hair. You could flip your hair to the side. I don't have any product in it. I only have mousse in it. And this is the natural color. I didn't color it black. This is the color that it came. I still have a whole bundle of hair left. 2 bundles was more than enough. And remember, this is 24 inch. It looks like it's my hair. Very, very, very pretty. So everything from today's tutorial will be linked below. So make sure you check the description bar. Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.